Hello everybody. Thank you so much for all your support in the Navratri series, viewing the episodes that we have shared and encouraging the participants and taking inspiration from the Shaktis who have joined us over this Navratri. In this last episode of the series, it's an absolute privilege and a personal matter of pride for me to share with you a very special person today. This particular person has been working selflessly for more than 40 odd years in helping students achieve what their potential is. Towards the end of the career, this person found out a very different rationale in her life and then decided to spare her complete life only behind this particular clause. For years together, we have been hearing about different stories, people who dedicated their entire lives to one particular cause and then following it up religiously till that life realizes into something far bigger and far more compared to what they would have done individually. So this particular case study of a person, an individual operating from a native place, was originally recorded in Marathi, and we had a detailed conversation around what her passion was and how it turned out, how it began, how it grew over a period of time, where it stands today, and how it's going to go beyond this particular point. I was editing the episode and I was giving it the final touches. I realized that the story needs to be told to a far wider audience, and hence decided to look at an English episode, a very small one, but I would try and communicate whatever that was discussed, and we would have certain pictures that would share what the story has been. This is the story of Vidyatai Hatwane. This is her picture that you would see here. She has been dedicatedly working behind a cause of nation building for last 40 odd years. Decided to remain single and dedicated herself completely to this particular cause, and she has been doing that happily for 40 odd years right now. Around 10 years back, she came across a very peculiar challenge. One of her friend came to her with a challenge that there was a family living next door who had lost their parents, and eventually the boy managed to get his elder sister married, and he had a younger sister, so the boy was staying with his younger sister. The elder sister was married. Unfortunately, while giving birth to her second child, the sister also passed away. She already had one daughter who was about 3 years old, and this boy was facing a huge challenge regarding how would he manage these two kids. So somebody came along, people worked with them, and somehow they tried to create a solution around him to help him earn and as well as manage those kids. At the end of this particular episode, they realized that there was a need to create an orphanage. It is not as simple as what we speak. That orphanage had to be created right from the scratch. There were a lot of permissions involved. They looked at the permissions, that was a challenge. They were not coming for next 5 years. So they decided to partner with another organization and started this small enterprise with just 3 small constructed rooms. Started with couple of kids, got few more kids to look at it, and that entire journey over a 3-year period led to them reaching out to more and more people coming to them to look at the kids who could be admitted. This made them realize that they probably need to do something more. So they reached out to multiple people, reached out to a lot of entrepreneurs, reached out to the trading community out there, showed them the work that they are doing, and managed to collect a lot of funds from them to create some kind of a basic structure for all those kids to be with them. And in last 10 years, they have right now managed to have more than 110 kids getting adopted by different families. So they have impacted these 110 kids, their own lives, plus those many families together. 2 of the girls who were staying with them grew up to be at the suitable age for marriage. They are married and they are happily living now. At present, there are 31 kids who are residing in the premises. There are 74 more girls who come over and join this particular institution for them to be cultivated or motivated towards the nation building. The institution is right now helping these girls gain the required skills, gain the required confidence to be amongst the society, be a breadwinner for themselves and for their families, and also become very responsible individuals and responsible mothers. The location of this orphanage is little outside from the main city. That's where they had the space and they managed to construct. Taking the kids to the hospital in case one of them faces any kind of medical emergency was a challenge. So Yavatmal Urban Bank helped them with an ambulance. So they had the facility, now they already have a doctor, and there are a few dedicated doctors who have given them a commitment that at any point in time they need any kind of emergency medical services, they are available. So the local community within Akola is helping them with the required food supplies, with the medicinal supplies, with the kits. They right now even have got their own computer lab set up by a local IT enthusiast over there, and they are also helping them get a lot of training onto the IT technologies as well. There are people helping them with the musical learnings as well. Overall, this establishment has been making a very significant impact to these 100 lives who are under their care right now. These beautiful photographs would show you the story. They have a formal vision and mission statement for them. They are formally registered with the government of Maharashtra. They are also registered for helping the families with the adoption process. There have been multiple beginnings, including few supported by the local community in terms of helping with the land part, the ambulance for kids. People in town come over to celebrate the birthdays, engage with the kids. They arrange formal ceremonies during the adoption event. This helps them connect with the larger society and also the families to remain connected with the place where they come from. There are cultural programs to imbibe the basic cultural values amongst the kids and also to relate them with the history. The institute, as usual, would need certain financial support at all the time. Here are the details in case you would like to support this great initiative. Let me thank you all for this your continuous support throughout the Navratri series.